one of my snap rings flew. And they flew in here in my garage. I looked all over the place and I finally decided that I'm just going to go into the other box of pistons and get a new one. And I said I'll just order one. Last second I turned around and I said, let me just check this engine case just in case it flew in here. Look at this. I don't know if you guys could see, but it is actually right down. I'm going to try to zoom into this. It is down there inside of the engine case. I don't know if you guys could see it. There it is right there. You guys should be able to see it right there. There. That's the snap ring, you guys. So please, please, please look everywhere before you assemble the engine. Everywhere before you assemble the engine. Unbelievable. The snap ring is inside of the motor. Sorry for the long video. Just trying to be helpful. Look everywhere, please.